Hey peeps, it's Suzette from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an AP Maths question on completing the square. When we're completing the square, we need to make sure that the coefficient of the x squared term is 1. So we're going to need to start by dividing everything by 2. We also need to take the constant term out of the way, but not forgetting to divide by 2. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to take the coefficient of x, divide by 2 again. Be very careful here. So when we divide by 2, then we're multiplying the denominator by 2 again. We are squaring, and that's 49 over 16, which we add to both sides. When we add to both sides, the left-hand side then is a perfect square trinomial, and this is our factor. So x plus 7 over 4 squared factorizes, and our right-hand side, when we add this together, we get 169 over 16. Square root both sides. Don't forget about your plus or minus. Square root of 169 is 13. Square root of 16 is 4. Take the 7 over 4 to the right. Minus 7 plus or minus 13 over 4. And then we can split it. X is minus 7 plus 13 over 4. Or x is minus 7 minus 13 over 4. So minus 7 plus 13 is 6 over 4, which is 3 over 2, or x is minus 20 over 4, which is minus 5, giving us 2 solutions to our quadratic equation. Before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Till the next time, stay epic.